Great Comfort Foundation is a platform where children of all ages learn the basic knowledge of all aspects of life's journey. Academics, life skills, social life, finances, and many more. Join us today and learn more.
Hello children, welcome back again. In today's video, we are going to learn about the Pledge of Allegiance of the United States of America. Now, I want you to stand up, put your right hands on your chest, and repeat after me. I pledge allegiance.
I pledge allegiance
To the flag
to the flag
of the United States of America
of the United States of America
and to the republic
and to the republic
for which it stands,
for which it stands,
one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Awesome. Good job learning. See you in the next video. Bye.
Like and subscribe for more of our videos. Thank you.